Good morning, everyone. Good morning on this wonderful Monday morning. Welcome back to a new live trading session. Welcome. I really missed you. Hello, George. How are you? Mary, welcome back. Patrick, hello. We are getting ready to make some money today, guys. So, what happened during the weekend? What happened during the weekend? During the weekend, the markets were quite slow, not big movement. We had on Friday afternoon a great afternoon. We made around $4,000 again. We had a pending Italy 40 position, which closed this morning on take profit with a small profit of $300. Good job. And today we are getting ready for this new wonderful week. As you know, last week every day we were discussing one index. And hello, Patrick. And I promised you this week I will start explaining you every day one macroeconomical indicator like GDP, NFP, and so on. And today in the afternoon session, I will start with the GDP. Today I will discuss the GDP. If you have any wishes, guys, just let me know on chat, on Twitter, or on YouTube on any of our videos. You can, as you know, we have a YouTube channel, and on our YouTube channel, you can find all the videos and the live trading session if you missed anything during the day. Well, guys, I see that Kyriakos has already some positions open. You will get surprised when you see it this morning, Kyriakos. So I will just quickly pass to Kyriakos to explain you his position, and then we will start with the indices. So guys, see you in a short while.
So good morning everyone and welcome to today's trading session. I hope you had a nice day ahead. Basically, just to update you what we have done, we have entered a long position already on euro dollar at 1.17608. Our take profit is at 1.1780 and our stop loss is at 1.1740. That's the only position we have entered since the morning. Is currently doing well. However, we need to be patient and wait to see what will happen. Moreover, we have placed... Welcome back, Mary. Nice to have you back. All right, good to know that. It's just 10 pips away, though, from our take profit level. You missed trading. Okay. Now, I have placed a buy limit order, euro yen, at 129.83 with a stop loss of 20 pips at 63 and my take profit at 130.15. Now, if the target is met, if the price now goes there, I will cancel the buy limit order. It means that it has moved and unfortunately we are not in the markets. Moreover, I have placed a buy limit order. I will have a look at the news shortly, George. I prefer not to see the news. I make my analysis. I've identified the good entry levels and then I will go through the news. So I have placed a buy limit order Aussie dollar at 0.7445. My stop loss 0.7425 and my take profit 0.7470. So again, if it touches this level, we are just 2 pips away, guys. I think we missed that. Or however, I will keep it and see if it breaks that high, I will cancel my buy limit order. Euro dollar we said. Dollar yen now. Dollar yen. I have placed a sell limit order On dollar yen, the entry level price is 110.75, my stop loss is 110.95, and my take profit is 110.40. I will keep that. If I see a close below this level, I will cancel it, but for the moment I'm keeping it. So this is my sell limit order. I will see and decide accordingly, guys. Today is Monday. Don't expect big volatilities in the market. That's why I'm trying to get the top or the bottom of the market for the moment. Only euro dollar made as the favor. I have placed also a sell limit order, dollar cut at 1.3110 with my stop loss 131.30 and my TP at 130.75. That's my dollar cut. If it breaks below this low, I will cancel the order. And Euro Aussie, I have placed a sell limit order again. Euro Aussie at 1.5785. That's the Euro Aussie. So I want a correction up to this level to go short. If it breaks this low, I will cancel the order. Stop loss 1.5805 and TP 1.5710. I'm expecting a collapse of Euro Aussie actually, but I want to get it at a much better entry level price than it is right now. So regarding the news announcements, let me quickly visit our website where we monitor the news, which is forexlive.com. Let me remind you again, the site at which we monitor the news. So forexlive.com. Let me see what we have today. Nothing important, guys, today. Later. Garni. Draghi. Where is Draghi? I cannot see Draghi. All right, just a moment to have a look also here. Draghi. Yes, we have at 1 o'clock and two speeches actually. We have 1 o'clock, that's 10 o'clock UTC time, I believe. Yes. 10 o'clock AM, and also at 12 o'clock we have two Draghi speeches, and we will see what happens during those speeches. So this is the update for me for the moment. Elif, you have an update? Okay, I'm transferring you to Elif. I will keep on studying the other pairs, and if I have any news, I will update you. Thank you.
Hello guys, so I'm back and we will start directly with the indices. With the indices, Mondays are quite interesting, so we will start directly. We will find some nice entry levels, and I saw already few. So for me, Italy 40 right now looks extremely interesting. I will go on Italy 40. It opened with a big gap this morning. And now there is a pullback and I believe it will go up. So I'm buying Italy 40. I just bought Italy 40, guys. And my stop loss is at 21,954 is my stop loss, and my take profit is at 22,075.5. This is my first trade for today. So we are long on Italy 40. In Italy 40. And we have our stop loss is at 29,954. for 54, and our take profit is at 22,075.5. And I will explain you guys why I choose these levels. Let's see if I see any other entry point, and once I see the entry point, I will explain you why I choose these levels. So let me see with DAX. It looks interesting with DAX as well, guys. Shall we go long? I think I will go long also on DAX. And I went long also on DAX. Long DAX. And it might take a bit time until this gets into money, but it's okay. And my take profit is at no, this is, here we go. My take profit is at, the opening of today was at 12,569. 12,500. I will take it a bit down. I will take it to 65. And my stop loss is today's low until now is 12,520. I will take it to 15. 12,515 is my stop loss. There we go. There we go. So we have already 2 positions open, guys. 1 position in Italy 40 and 1 position in DAX. In DAX, it looks quite interesting because it is directly on the middle Bollinger Band and below the MA14, which I believe shortly it will get a punch upwards, and we will make some money there. So long DAX, I entered at 12,541. My stop loss is 12,515, and my take profit is 12,565. There we go. So USA 100, as you know, on Friday we made some money on US indices due to the NFP announcements. Over here, I don't see really the possibility to enter. It's very narrow. The movements are very small. UK 100. Oh, UK 100 was nice. Very nice. But it reached the middle Bollinger Band. Okay, here it looks like that it will go a bit up. Guys, I'm going long on UK 100. I entered long on UK 100. Everything is long. Hello, Mary, you entered with me. Great, great, great. I entered now long with you on UK 100. And my take profit will be at 7,642. Yes, 42. It is already in the low of the day. We got the low of the day. So we will go to the next level of low, which is at 7,618. So there we go. We went long also. Yes, we need to make some money. Mary went for holidays and she spent some money and now she has to get the money back, right? Now we have to bring some money in after holidays. So I went UK 100, long, and we entered at 7,636.35. And stop loss is at 7,618 and take profit is at 7,642. There we go. We just opened another UK 100 position. We go slowly looking at all the other indices. Also here not much to get, very narrow. Gold. Last week, gold made us a nice week, right, guys? We had a nice week with gold last week. Very stable. Guys, I will go also long on gold. There we go. I just entered long on gold. I opened long gold and I will leave it to move a bit. So DAX, let's have a look. We opened the DAX position. It moved a bit against us. Yes, it broke through, but we might open. As you know, guys, I open normally 20 lots of DAX. This morning I opened 10 lots because I'm not 100% sure if the movement will be if we entered on the bottom. That's why. And now I'm thinking once I get the signal to enter again a 10 lots position, so I get the movement also from this. That's the reason behind why I opened just 10 lots and not 20 as usual, because I'm once I get the confirmation, I will enter. I will increase my exposure and enter another 10 lots and get also the profit out of this small movement over here. That's why DAX will be on our screen. We will see how we will react. The same also for Italy 40. Let me see. Okay, Italy 40 is okay, is moving okay, all good. Guys, this week we will have two new approaches. One is that I will explain this week every day also one macroeconomical indice as promised. Today it's the GDP and you can request any other macroeconomical indice as well. And I'm planning to open some trades on cryptocurrencies. So on cryptocurrencies, I'm planning to use yes. I'm looking for nice entry points on cryptocurrencies, and I will open a position most probably on Ethereum or Bitcoin throughout the day. I will inform you. Yes, Mary, the movement on Euro USD was due to the news announcement. I will pass now to Kyriakos. He wants to explain you guys. By the way, our gold trade is moving in our favor, and we might open another DAX position. I will pass now to Kyriakos and let you know how it's going.
Thank you very much, Elif. Basically, as you remember, on Friday it was not our best day. Actually, all of the trades hit stop loss. We were speculating for the dollar. Unfortunately, it was against the dollar that we should speculate that. The reason of the dollar, let's say, collapse, mini crash on Friday was because the US announced for the first time since 2013, 2012 actually, an increase in their unemployment rate from 3.8% to 4%. And this caused a mini collapse, a mini crash of the dollar, which is actually expected to continue the next days. That's why we are long euro dollar, long euro yen, and as you can see, we are speculating against the dollar. However, we need to get the right levels to enter the market. Our euro dollar trade is doing okay. Hopefully in a few pips we will hit our take profit target, and this will be the first winning position for the day and for the week, $576. And that is the reason you see this big movement, Mary, on Friday. It seems that the dollar strength is weakening a lot. Unfortunately, we are a bit late and we missed also all this rally on the pound dollar. Here was the entry level. We didn't manage to get it. That's why I have cancelled any orders on pound dollar since the movement was made, and we missed that. However, we still have some pending orders. We still have short positions on dollar yen at this level here. We still have sell limit order for dollar CAD at this level here at 131.10. And we still have the Euro Aussie position where I expect a big drop actually on Euro Aussie. If you see, my entry level is 85, my stop loss is 20 pips, but my take profit is 57.10. Mary, but I'm training on other platforms and there the movement is not bigger than 50 pips. Maybe something wrong. On which platform are you trading with, Mary? If you are trading with another platform other than TradeFW, then you need to speak with your account manager of the platform provider. Okay, guys, we hit take profit. We just hit take profit on euro dollar. There it's our first winning trade for the day. $576 just hit. You need to talk with your account manager, Mary, as we are not aware of what is going on with other platforms. So that's the best thing to do. So is it okay? Okay, Mary, have I answered you a question? All right, great. So also have in mind, guys, that from the 2nd of August, those of you who have funded accounts, have in mind that the leverage for the FX majors will increase to 30 times. So what does this mean? If now for 3 lots I need 3,000, it means that I will need, and the margin percentage is 1%, it means that I will need much more money to open 3 lots. So make your calculations and adjust your position sizes accordingly, or deposit money, fund your accounts, okay, in order not to have any unpleasant surprises on the 2nd of August and margin stop outs and margin calls. Good morning, Alan. You can't find any good entry anywhere. Neither did I, Patrick. That's why I have placed orders. Okay, for the moment we had one position. For the moment I had one long position euro and dollar which hit take profit, and also we have another trade on euro yen, and all the rest are orders. You need to wait. George says, I got out some time ago in from my short euro dollar and I entered long. Do you think I should get out now? No, George, stay long on euro. Stay long on euro. The rally is not yet over. Okay. So generally, Alan, I expect CHF strengthening across the board. So any pair that has CHF as a variable currency, rather short instead of long. Why? because New Zealand CHF is made out of New Zealand US dollar and dollar CHF. If you see dollar CHF is collapsing. Denominator, then denominator is collapsing. So maybe New Zealand CHF goes up, but why don't you enter long New Zealand USD? I mean, it will be much, if you want to long New Zealand, it's much better to long New Zealand USD rather than New Zealand CHF. If you put them side by side, you will see that New Zealand CHF might stay steady or decline a bit without looking at the charts, but New Zealand US dollar should go up, right? If you put them next to each other, isn't this a case? I mean, New Zealand CHF steady or declining, and New Zealand USD is rising, right? Alan, correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, this is New Zealand USD is rising, and if I put now New Zealand CHF, just a moment to put it on the chart, is declining. So if you want to long New Zealand US dollar instead of New Zealand CHF, right? And also it's a nice hedge, arbitrage. All right, good. Any other questions? Any other questions, guys? Bitcoin, okay, is going up, 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 up. We will have a trade shortly. It has broken its short-term trend line resistance levels, guys. Bitcoin is approaching $7,500 from what I looked last night. Minimum price $7,500. For the moment, I don't know. I will have a look and let you know. Okay. Okay, Elif just bought Bitcoin, so let me transfer to Elif to explain you the thinking behind that.
Hey guys, I'm back. So, I just bought Bitcoin. And the reason why I just bought Bitcoin is basically it is above the MA level, and the MA level with the middle Bollinger Band is crossing all the time. It's like a wave crossing over, and my indicator is showing me also uptrend. That's why I just bought Bitcoin right now, and I will leave it run until around 7,000. 7,000 is for me my target. Yes, Alan, you can buy Bitcoin if your margin allows you to do so. You can buy Bitcoin right now. It's moving quite well. So, guys, with my indices. So DAX had a very strong drop. We are long on DAX. As I told you, I'm expecting on DAX to increase my exposure. And that's why I entered just with 10 lots DAX, but I still didn't get the confirmation of this direction. That's why I didn't increase it yet. Once I once I see a strong signal, a second strong signal, I will buy an increase my exposure on DAX. Italy 40 is moving quite well in our favor. We bought Italy 40, it had a drop, and now it's getting in our favor, giving us some money. UK 100, the same picture. It started to move upwards and giving us hopes of profit. Italy 40 is making already $90. It dropped a bit. It's okay. UK 100, as we say right now, it's moving in our favor. DAX is a bit slow. Gold. On gold, we had our move up. We were shortly in profit around $200, but I want to keep it a bit more and to hit at least my take profit. At least my take profit I want to get from my gold position. So the market is a bit slow, but still Mondays are very, very interesting for indices. There is always something to get, and I'm waiting to get the confirmation for my DAX position. Let me see. I didn't get it yet. Okay, I need the confirmation here on my 15 minutes charts that the trend is going up, so I can go long and expose and increase my exposure. On the 5 minutes chart, I already got the confirmation, but I need it also on the 15 minutes chart that the price will go up and I can increase my exposure. This is what I'm waiting for right now, guys, to get the confirmation on the 15 minutes chart, and then I will increase my exposure on DAX and go again long. So Bitcoin, we entered a buy position on Bitcoin. It's not yet moving. So Ellen is asking me if he can still trade Italy 40. Well, Italy 40 is already in profit. I wouldn't trade it now anymore. Wait, we will close soon our profit, our position on Italy 40, and we might enter then a sell position, and then you can enter, Ellen. It's too late for you to enter. But if you like, you can enter shortly DAX position in a short while. Yes, DAX is still in your favor. You will get a better price. And when I open the second position, you might not need to open the second position. But Italy 40 is too late for you. You're welcome, Ellen. You're welcome, Ellen. So, yes, on Italy 40, we are making right now $140. Is good. We will get there. We will get there. I'm aiming here a profit of, why it's going down. I'm aiming here over around $500. George is saying that UK 100 is losing money. He's short. No, he's not short. We are long. I thought he said he's short. UK 100, we entered in a good price. It's normal. In a short while, it will start. George entered with 7,636. We entered almost together. It's okay, George, nothing to worry. As long as you have your stop loss and your take profit set. It might drop a bit further until 7,623, and then it will start rising. So there is nothing to worry. You just leave the position to run. No, George, we discussed it very often with you. He's saying he's very emotional on Monday. You shouldn't have any emotions. George, we discussed it. Emotions are for your relationship, not for trading. No, not even on Monday. You can keep your emotions for your relationship, for your partner, but not for trading. So, as I said, UK 100 is dropping a bit. George is saying, so emotions for the weekend. Why? It depends on you. Gold is making some money. Gold is making some money, is giving us $70 right now. I'm aiming on gold a profit of $500, guys. We are today aiming not very big profits. There are two reasons. I don't want to keep my positions for very long time open because Draghi will speak in the afternoon twice today, and I want my positions to be closed while he's speaking. Let's go back to DAX to check what's going on with DAX. If I can increase my exposure on DAX. Nope, I didn't get the confirmation yet. There is still some move downwards, and then we can enter our DAX position. Our Italy 40 position is giving us already $270. Let's see how Italy 40 is developing. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. This is how we want it. It's giving us $260. Okay, it's very interesting. I will follow DAX and Italy 40 very closely and inform you how we react. I see, guys, you have some questions to Kyriakos. I will pass now to Kyriakos to give you all an answer, and then you will find me here again.
Thank you, Elif. So some of you are asking me if I'm studying the dollar index or I'm just comparing pairs. Now, it will be a big mistake to say that you don't need to study the dollar index. It's like trying to buy a share on the NISE and you don't see Standard & Poor 500. However, as you know many times, Standard & Poor might go up, but the particular share that you are studying might go down. It's good to have a look on the dollar index. However, you should not rely solely on the dollar index in order to trade forex pairs. If the dollar index, let's say, is in a downtrend, the pairs that are making the components of dollar index should not necessarily act in the same way as the dollar index. So what I do, I basically study case by case each pair separately. Of course, you have more probabilities if the dollar index is falling. This means declining dollar, and the euro dollar trend is up, for example. Of course, you have more probabilities to get that long position of euro dollar, of course. It's not an indicator, it's an index, like S&P 500 measures the strength of the 500 companies listed on the exchange. The dollar index measures the strength of the dollar against a basket of pairs that are the components of the dollar index. Euro pound long. No. It's falling. Why should I go long? Don't catch a falling knife, Patrick. The 4-hour is fully bearish. I mean, it's declining all day. Be careful. Don't never catch a falling knife. No, Patrick, if you keep on doing that, you will burn your account. I guarantee you that. So, Euro pound is falling the whole day. Why should I go long on that? All right, you have 6 cents. All right. So, our long position on euro yen is doing fine. I have moved my stop loss to 129.80, guys, and I think I will move it a bit further up. Let me move it a bit further up to 85. Actually, I will move my stop loss to 85, and we will see what happens with euro yen. Our target is this level here. Let's see what the other pairs are doing. Let me put the 5-minute chart. Dollar yen. We are still looking for a correction up to this level to go short. The trade stays there. The position stays there. Dollar cut. Dollar cut. It's gonna move. It's gonna move a lot, guys, and I don't want to miss that trade. I expect it will rise up to here and then fall. However, if it falls, it will be a nasty fall, and definitely I don't want to miss that trade, so I will keep an eye on it. Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie is rising now a bit. We want also this pair to reach this level for short positions. Let me see what other do I have. Euro yen, okay, nice. Okay, let me move my stop loss a bit higher. I will put it to 90. It's climbing nicely. It has broken the 130. Let's stay above it, and is closely approaching our take profit level, which will be another $415. If you add this to the 576, that's $1,000, guys. Not bad for 1 hour trading session. Not bad at all. We had a nice trading session. If euro yen hits take profit, it's $1,000. Nice, simple, easy, and fast. Now, is there anything else so Patrick, never catch a falling knife, so I wouldn't go, personally, is my personal opinion, I wouldn't go long euro pound because this is falling. Don't try to catch a falling knife, because if you do that, what will happen? It will cut your hand eventually. So, if you are lucky enough, Alan, yes. So Elif, you have an update? Okay, I'm transferring you now to Elif, guys.
Hey guys, just a small update. Our DAX position closed with stop loss. We have a loss of around $413 on DAX. Never mind, belongs to the game. So now I'm checking on gold. Gold is coming very close to take profit. We make $500 right now on gold. Another 20 cents to go, and we hit our take profit on gold. We are very close to hit our take profit on gold. Another 20 cents, not even 20 cents to go, and we are there, guys. Italy 40 is giving us also some money. I'm thinking, let me see on the 5 minutes chart. No, I will keep it and wait until our take profit gets hit. Our take profit on gold is $580, which I'm aiming. Let me see. I see still a strong uptrend. I see, Ellen, your DAX position is still alive. It's good. Most probably you had a different entry level or a different stop loss than mine. Guys, I will close my gold position. It takes too long. I will take my profits. I see also on the 1 minute chart that in the next few minutes it will drop a bit. On the 5 minutes chart, the same. Okay, let's leave it a bit more and then we will close it. Italy 40. There we go. There we go. Where is our gold position? Gold position, $500. Ching, ching, $580. We just closed with $580 our gold position. We made some money, guys. Ching, ching. Not bad, right? We just closed our gold position. Great. So going to the next one. I see Italy 40 is struggling on that level over there. I see on Italy 40 that there is still an uptrend. Yes, there is a very strong uptrend on Italy 40. So let's leave it there. Also here I'm expecting a profit of $426. We were very close to it and then the market moved against that. However, let's see on DAX if we reached our down our I see that you see Italy 40 dropped quite strongly right now. I see also, guys, I see that DAX just has started a downtrend, which will take a bit longer, I think, than I expected. So why not to use this movement and get some money out of it and maybe cover the losses which we made? So I will go also on DAX short. I will go short on DAX. I'm going now short on DAX. We hit one stop loss on DAX with our long position now. I see that the trend didn't reverse and the downtrend got stronger. So, yeah, I went short, but I have to close also my Italy 40 position with some profits. Let me adjust my position on DAX. On DAX, my take profit is around 12,475, but it's so close to this 400 level. However, let's go there and then here it's 12,546. It still shows a very strong down movement now, the indicator, but still It's close to a psychological level of 12,500 DAX. That's why, let's see. So Italy 40, guys, with Italy 40, I will adjust a bit my take profit. I will take it a bit down to hit. So Ellen, I'm short on DAX. I just opened a short position, the previous one. Ellen is asking if he should close his short DAX position. My first position, which hit stop loss, Ellen, was a long position. Yeah, but you are saying that you opened. You have still a short position. What do you have? You have a short or a long position? If you entered with me, it was a long position. Ah, okay. And you entered also the same take profit levels as I did, or not? Because I will tell you. Okay. Ellen, don't play any games with no take profits and so on. Basically, I will explain you what is the case right now. If the markets, it is right now in the closing price of Friday evening. Okay, I expect it's a very crucial moment. It's very crucial. If it drops below 12,500, then it's gone. It will just continue to drop today. But if it bounces back at 12,500, I think it will go up. So if your account is able to manage it, I would say try to hold it until 12,500 and adjust accordingly. See what's the market doing and how the market is moving, and react accordingly. Great, Alan. So Mary was asking about our spreads on major pairs and so on. Ellen, we are in a special group. We are in the VIP group, and because we are in the VIP group, we have spread reduction. And if you, according to your account status, you can get into this VIP group and get spread reduction. George, how can I become a VIP? It's about how much you can afford to deposit on your account. For the numbers, please get in touch with your account manager. He will explain you from which amount of funding you will get some spread reduction and on which assets. Yes, with Trade FW, correct. So our gold position hit take profit. Our German DAX position hit stop loss. We had in the morning Italy 40 position, and overall yes, Mary, we are trading right now with Trade FW. You can ask also your account manager with Trademy, and they can lead you how you can get a spread reduction. Great. So our DAX position started to move in our direction. This is good. Furthermore, I wanted our gold position closed with take profit, and I'm looking if we can enter another position on gold. Okay, we have a pullback. Let's finish this pullback, and we will open maybe another nice position on gold, guys. It looks interesting. It looks interesting. Italy 40. Yes, guys, you see, sometimes it's like better not to wait the take profit to hit and close the position. Okay, we adjusted a bit the take profit, but it was minimal higher than the current one. And now it dropped again. And I could easily, so I have just 10 lots open on Italy 40. I have just 10 lots open. So I could actually open another position on Italy 40 and increase my profits right now. This is what I'm going to do. Guys, this is what I'm going to do right now. I will open another buy position on Italy 40. This candle result. Let me see. Yes, guys, I'm going to open another Italy 40 position. I'm going long again on Italy 40 with 10 lots. I just increased my exposure, and my take profit on this position is again 22,066.5, and my stop loss is 21,954. There we go, guys. I just increased my exposure on Italy 40, and it's good. I believe in it. My DAX position is making already some money. As we said, DAX is dropping, and we have to see how it's moving on. So let me see. I see that Kyriakos has some updates. I will pass you to Kyriakos, and then we will talk later on, guys.
Thank you very much, Elif. So the update we had is that we have closed our euro-yen position because I didn't like the formation it was doing, with a small profit of $90. This is our euro-yen position. We have entered short positions euro-Aussie, guys. I expect a collapse on this pair, a big movement to the downside. That's why I have shorted it. And also I have shorted dollar CAD. And the stop loss is a bit away from the current market price. If I see, however, a break below this point, I will lower it a bit more. And I also suspect a big drop on this pair as well. So these are the two current positions we have for the moment. We have a sell position on Euro Aussie at 157.518 and a sell position on USD CAD at 137.98. Stop loss for Euro Aussie is at approximately 20 pip, 57.70, and take profit is at 57.10. George, if you don't want to be killed, you need to take your measures, guys. And Patrick, losses are part of the game. Make sure you use correct money management. We have repeatedly here said that. Don't go all in. What's the point of increased leverage? You are killing yourselves, guys. I mean, use a proper position size. And I will repeat it again for 100th time. If you have any questions, how to use the proper position size based on your account value, how to build your correct money management risk policy, we can arrange a one-to-one session either with me or with Elif in order to assist you design all this. I mean, trading is not just pushing buttons. There are a lot of aspects that you need to look at before even pushing the button to trade. Money management, position size, reward to risk ratios, technical entry levels, exit levels. There are a lot of things to study. And these are the reasons why we have the one-to-one sessions. In the one-to-one sessions, you will hear and see things that are not in the books. And it is based on our experience. I mean, Elif has 12 years of experience in the markets. I have more or less the same. So that's why we are your mentors, in order to assist you to learn things that are not in the books, the practical aspects of things. So please, guys, if you need assistance, we cannot force you to come to us. You need to talk with your account managers and arrange a one-to-one session to get. Uh... Don't say that, Alan. You cannot imagine how much I lost before I started winning. So losing is part of the game, is part of the learning curve. But you don't need to burn your accounts and then learn. That's why we are here, guys. I'm okay. If you want, you can arrange a one-to-one session, contact your account manager at Trademy, and I'm sure they will be more than happy to assist you. One-to-one. Yes, it means you and me, George. Okay? That's what it means. Me and you. All right. Or you and I and Elif. Okay. So I'm a bit disappointed today because Russia lost the last football game. So I'm now left with no team to support in the Euro. Actually, it's a Euro. Is not World Cup anymore. It's Euro. So that's why I'm a bit down today. So just a brief round of what we are expecting for today. Remember that at 1 o'clock UTC time, we have Draghi's speech. He will speak again at 3 o'clock. We expect definitely some volatility there. Apart from Draghi's speech, nothing important for the day. So for the moment, these are the two current positions we have. We will keep the open and see what happens. Maybe we build on them. Maybe we add some more positions while they are developing. Anyway, we will update you as soon as we have any further updates. So this brings us to the end of our morning's trading session. From me, at least, I don't have anything else to add. It was an okay morning session. We had one take profit trade and one we have closed it manually with a small profit. It's an okay trading session for Monday morning. I will transfer you now to Elif. She has some updates, and we will see you again, guys, back at 1 o'clock p.m. UTC time. From me, bye bye. I will be online to update you for any further positions or changes I have. Elif.
Yes, guys, thank you, Kyriakos, for the pass. I saw that some of you guys want to exit Italy 40. I will stick still on my Italy 40 position. It started to move again in my favor. And Italy 40, as you know, it's not making very big moves, but the moves which is making is bringing some money. So I will keep my Italy 40 position. I will keep also my UK 100 position. Let's have a look on the UK 100 position, how it's developing. As you see, we went long and it seems that it he reached the bottom and now it's moving upwards. Good for us. And Italy 40 we said, and now we are also short on DAX, guys. I went short on DAX. Yeah, I went short on DAX. I might adjust over here the take profit at some point. In general, I think that it will work in our favor. DAX will work in our favor as well. So we had this morning to take profits and one stop loss. We are overall above. We are overall profiting. Hopefully throughout the day I will inform you about more profitable trades for the afternoon. I'm looking forward to see you. I will explain you some in what I'm looking at. I will explain you some macroeconomical indicators today. Last week we had our indice week. Every day I was explaining one indice. Today it's our macroeconomical week. Today I will start with GDP. And for tomorrow, if you have any wishes, just let me know. Write something on chat and I will do it for you. So guys, see you later on. I will be on top of my trades and inform you once the market is moving in our favor. So see you in a short while. Bye bye, guys.